When it comes to cooking and dietary choices, the type of oil you use can significantly impact your health. While some oils are rich in beneficial nutrients and healthy fats, others can contribute to various health issues. Here are the top 5 unhealthy oils that experts often advise limiting or avoiding. 1. Trans fat oils. Partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. These oils are commonly found in margarine, shortening, and many processed foods. Health experts warn that trans fats can raise LDL bad cholesterol levels while lowering HDL good cholesterol, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Many countries have implemented bans or strict regulations on trans fats due to their harmful effects. 2. Vegetable oils. Soybean, corn, and canola oils. While vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola are widely used and marketed as heart-healthy, experts express concerns about their high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. An excessive intake of omega-6, especially in relation to omega-3s, can lead to inflammation and various chronic diseases. Additionally, many of these oils undergo extensive processing, which can strip away beneficial nutrients and introduce harmful compounds. Choosing less processed oils or those high in omega-3s is often recommended. 3. Palm oil. Palm oil is a common ingredient in many processed foods and is often used in cooking. While it is high in saturated fat, the concerns about palm oil extend beyond its fat content. The production of palm oil is linked to significant environmental issues, including deforestation and habitat destruction for endangered species. From a health perspective, excessive consumption of palm oil can contribute to heart disease, making it a less favorable choice compared to healthier oils. 4. Cottonseed oil. Cottonseed oil is derived from the seeds of cotton plants and is often used in processed foods and frying. This oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids and is frequently refined, which can introduce harmful chemicals and trans fats during processing. Additionally, cotton is often heavily treated with pesticides, leading to concerns about chemical residues in the oil. Experts recommend limiting cottonseed oil in favor of more nutritious options. 5. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is often marketed as a healthy cooking oil, but it contains a high amount of omega-6 fatty acids and low levels of omega-3s. Similar to other oils on this list, an imbalance in omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids can lead to inflammation in the body. Moreover, grapeseed oil is often extracted using chemical processes, which can diminish its nutritional quality. Experts suggest using grapeseed oil sparingly and opting for oils with a more favorable fatty acid profile. Conclusion: when choosing cooking oils, it's essential to be mindful of their health implications. Limiting or avoiding the oils mentioned above can contribute to a healthier diet and better overall well-being. Instead, consider incorporating oils that are high in monounsaturated fats, such as olive oil or avocado oil, which have been shown to provide numerous health benefits. Always read labels and choose oils that align with your health goals for the best choices in your kitchen.